Hi, I'm Brittany Willard and I'm a Norwex independent sales consultant. Right now I'm going to show you how you can clean a really dirty microwave very easily and without any kind of harsh chemicals by using Norwex. So this is our culprit. This microwave has a lot of junk in it from it's just, disgusting. And so I'm going to clean it with some of my Norwex and get it done fast and easy, and it's going to be beautiful. So the first thing I'm going to try is just my EnviroCloth by itself. It's pretty good at cleaning up pretty much anything. Sorry, I had a spill. So I got it wet, and we're just going to try to see what we can do. And this is just cold water, it's not hot or anything. And that's pretty good just by itself. Let's see if I can get in here. It's a little tougher inside. So we're getting some stuff, but not a lot. Here, I'll show you the door. The door got a little bit better, but the inside's still pretty gross. So the next thing I want to try is, let's do the oven and grill cleaner. No, we're going to use this. This is cleaning paste. It's basically like, cleaning paste is like elbow grease in a jar. So it should give me some extra scrubbing power. And I'll use it with my EnviroCloth and we'll see how that goes. It lasts a really long time because it comes kind of in a packed powder. I'm going to get my EnviroCloth a little bit wet again because I used it and it needed it. Alright, so I'm just going to get a little bit of that on there. Just a little. And add it. Oh, that's like super awesome. So this is definitely something I would recommend for at least light cleaning of your microwave. It just took it off so easily. Okay, I'll show you that. So much cleaner. So I still have some of the cleaning paste. And of course it comes off pretty easily. Let's see. Ooh, this is so gross. Alright, so obviously super neglected, dirty microwave here. And it is really no match for cleaning paste and an EnviroCloth. It's just coming right off. You see how easy it's coming off? Now if I want to try, I'm going to try the spear net also. I'm going to get it really wet. And add some cleaning paste. Oh yeah. This is what you want right there. The cool thing about these spear nets is that they're not like the ones in the stores. They're not very expensive. And the cool thing about them is that they aren't going to rust. This is 100% stainless steel. You can even wash it in your dishwasher. I'm going to get it wet again. I think that it definitely works better when I've added cleaning paste. You'll see over here I've got a little jar of water just that I bring with me. I'm going to add some cleaning paste to that, and it really scrubs so well. No more nasty microwave. The cleaning paste has only a few ingredients in it. It has marble flours, chalks, natural soaps, and coconut oil. And it's just like the magic for cleaning anything. Anything that needs a little extra scrubbing. I grab my cleaning paste, and it lasts so long. It can last you sometimes like 2 or 3 years easily, because it's just, you just use a little bit and it works so well. Alright, I'm going to use my EnviroCloth to kind of pick some of this up. Oh wow, you see just how well that's working? Isn't that crazy? Wow. Okay. Goodness. And then we've got this really lovely plate that's just in wonderful condition. I'm going to use some dishwashing liquid. Just maybe cut some extra grease or something. And then if I want to, I can, instead of using this, I can switch it up and use the Sperry sponge, which is good for like non-scratch stuff. Basically a lot of the dirt's on the other side. Turn it over. And just taking a little bit of olive grease. I'm going to switch it back to my spearmint. It won't scratch this. And if it did, I wouldn't really matter anyways, because it's just going in the microwave. Get all shiny. And obviously, from now on, I will use my EnviroCloth to just wipe down that microwave mess when it happens, instead of it sitting there and getting all stuck in everything. Okay. So that's that. Really easy. One more thing I'm going to do while I'm in here. I'm going to show you how I can shine my sink up. I'm going to use my cleaning paste again. And my spearmint. Add just a little bit. And I'm going to shine up my sink. And hopefully you'll be able to see the difference. It's very shiny and pretty. Spearmint a little bit. This will just last a very long time. Much longer than the store-bought similar product.